here with your sister. You guys are going to be really boring. Stand as tall as a tree and be as quiet and calm as we can be, okay? I'm going to bring Boomer up so that he can sniff you. Boomer, here. Let's go say hi. So that way I can help him learn not to jump by staying low with him. And see how he's starting to sniff you guys? Oh, now he wants to say hi. Go ahead and pet him. But when you pet him, go under his chest like this. There you go. He's kind of dirty because he's got dog slop on him from playing with my dog, right? But sometimes when we go to pet overhead, it can scare a dog. So we'll go at the side or we can go under.
He just wants to lick me.
Yep.
Yeah.
There you go. He likes to give kisses.
The first couple of times, like he kept turning and licking my hand.
Yep.
I was like, how will I pet him when he loves to lick my hand? And then I thought I'll have to do this.
There you go.
Even though I have choppy hands, I don't want to.
It's okay. They're going to be covered in dogs soon, too. You see how he's a lot more calm and boring, but much calmer and not jumping on you guys? He smells like a dog, huh? You guys wanted to have him do a command for you? I'm going to have you hold this cookie. So he already knows the place. Say, Boomer, come.
Boomer, come.
Tell him to sit.
Sit.
There you go. You want to do one too?
Yeah.
So you're going
What's
to...
that one nut flea?
You're safe.
It is. It is. Dogs don't like them. Say, Boomer, come.
Boomer, come.
Tell him to sit. Good job. And if you wanted to give him a treat and he has too much teeth or too sloppy, put your hand nice and flat and then he can come and take it from you. You ever fed a horse? It's just like a horse. See? And then you don't get puppy teeth, huh? Good job, guys. You want to do another one? Okay, I'm going to have him over here. Boomer, sit. Say, Boomer, come. Good job. And that's Puppy Boomer. Now, if he gets excited and jumps on you, you just go back to being really tall and still, okay?
Like an NBA player, you're like,
Now go ahead, stand still and freeze. Say, Boomer, come.
Boomer, come.
Go over there. Tell him to sit.
Sit.
Good. Nice job. There you go. And then say, break.
they drew pictures.
Those are beautiful. And then what do you do when he starts chasing you? Nice.
If you want to stop chasing, you stay still. You say, Boomer, sit,
Boomer, sit.
sit.
Good job.
Good job.
And then back to play.
Back to play.
Break.
Go.
Break. Let's go.
Back to play we go. He's like, I like this table. It gives me treats. So when he drops it, you throw yours. Throw yours, Alexandria.
Boomer.
Good job. Good job, Alexandria. So wait for him to drop this one. Ready? Throw yours. He dropped it. Get your ball and wait for him to come back. And when he gets back to you and drops it, that's when you'll throw yours. So wait for him. There you go. Throw it. Throw your ball.
No, he's back.
Uh-oh. He's on it. Good job. And go. Good job. You guys got really good arms.